I'm preaching to my team all the time. Treat this house like your grandmother's gonna move in. Treat this house like your kids are gonna live here. I'm Ann Atkin and I own Meth Mob Decontamination Specialists. We're a company that decontaminates houses when there's meth found in them. What's the decontamination process? So for us at Meth Mob, what we do, it's a 5-day process for us. Day one, we call it our dry day, and that's where we get all the dry out of the house, the carpet, the pad, anything permeable. And we hook up a great big HEPA vacuum. It's got a HEPA filter on it. So we're sucking all the crayons, Tinker Toys, Dust Bunnies out of the supply line, the cold air return, the furnace. We pull all the drawers out of the cupboards. We vacuum the whole house. We're literally getting all the dry out. Day 2, 3, and 4, we're scrubbing every inch of ceiling, wall, floor, cupboard, drawer, duct, Harry Potter closet, the furnace, the plenum, the supply lines. Literally everything in the house gets scrubbed with our decontamination solution. And then day 5, we call it our rinse day. I recommend everybody do a meth test on their house. Have your home inspector do a meth test. And it's part of their home inspection. They'll do meth, mold, radon, sewer line scope. They check the roofs, the appliances. It's just what you're supposed to do when you're buying a house. So our chemicals decontaminate. We have never had to pull sheetrock out of houses as a result of not being able to decontaminate. Basically anything hard surface can be decontaminated. So sheetrock, lath and plaster, LVT, ceramic, tile, wood floors, metal, the furnaces, all that can be decontaminated. I don't believe that everybody who lives in a meth house is going to get sick from third-hand meth. I don't. And I wouldn't have the business I have if I didn't believe of the ill effects of it too. So I think it deserves to be cleaned up. And until you do a test, you don't know if it's 1 time over the limit, 30 times over the limit, 300 times over the limit. We use the Apple Environmental Meth Remover. It'll actually extract the meth out of the paint, bring it to the surface, neutralize it, and then the detergent washes it away. It's not rocket scientist stuff we're doing. It's just very labor intensive. We don't go in to make houses pass. I can test about any house and get it to pass if I want it to pass. We decontaminate houses so anybody can come in and test anywhere and it'll pass. I've always been a person that likes to make a difference in the world. Service is in my blood, right? I love that. And I love the service that we provide out there, that I go, yeah, you don't have to worry about that house. Yeah, move in, you got this. We got your back from this. Can't tell you if the roof's gonna leak. That one I can't do. But I can tell you I would put my grandkids literally in any house we do. And I love that feeling.